Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today I would like to talk for this altcoin that doesn't correct, always goes up, but where will it end? Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You're going to get easy profits, especially the third tier has everyday trading, scalping strategy with money guaranteed back. Let's go right here to see and observe the market. OP, Optimism against USDT chart. Right here, you can see that we are having the high of the 2.24 back on Monday, 1st August, then a correction, and now we have approached even the 3.135 into the Binance, right? Amazing stuff from OP. Right here, let's see what it is going to do, because eventually we get bullish pennant after bullish pennant formation, getting higher, and then we go up again. Then we go up and up. Is this going to end? Is this whole thing right here going in some way to correct? And by that I mean correction to maybe towards the 2.24 again. Let's see some very important support levels, and I'm going into the short-term price analysis. The reason I'm going into the short term is because I want to find support levels in the short term for you, so you know what's going to happen next. Now OP is holding a very important support level, and that is the support level of 2.796 to 2.794. If we can manage to keep holding this, then that means OP is going to explode again, going even higher, possibly towards the 3.30 and so on. So I'm going to have one very important resistance level around here. So more pump is going to come if we can keep holding the 2.796. However, let's assume that we cannot keep holding this. Let's assume that we cannot hold the 2.796 for the short term. Then we are going down towards the 2.60 and finally towards the 2.449. You can see what an important support level this is. 2.449 is a very hugely important support level because it was the resistance level multiple times when we were forming the bullish pennant formation, right? So losing that in the short term, that means we are going down. OP ignores completely the market. What I mean by that is, even on the crashes, even when it was going down, the Bitcoin, it kept going higher. However, it kept the most significant pump was when Bitcoin was going up as well. So you can see right here, when Bitcoin was going up, OP just went insanely higher. Now, what is going to happen if BTC crashes down? What are we going to think? What are we going to do actually? Okay, so for the time being, you can see that in the lower time frames, we did not lose the 2.796, but we might lose it. If Bitcoin crashes down, then it is almost certain that 2.456 will be the next support level for OP. Okay, we might be getting a little bit lower as well towards the 2.33 and so on, 2.31, 2.32, around there, we could be going there. However, for the time being, pay attention to this target right here, 2.796. This is the most important target and the most important pivot point for OP. Losing that, we are going down. Remaining above, going sideways, and if you see a buying pressure right here, there is a very huge chance we are going to go to the 3.30. From where we are right now, this is a plus 17%. Very nice stuff going on. We might be getting even higher, but for now, I am keeping a little bit low profile because of Bitcoin. If it wasn't for Bitcoin, I would tell you that OP would explode again and again. But this time, because of Bitcoin that might crash, I think that the best way to deal with this market and with this current altcoin is to, if you haven't bought in yet, pay attention to these targets. Now, what happens if you bought around here or around there? If you bought around here, if we lose the 2.79.6, take profits. Okay, if you bought around this area. If you bought around this area right here, then you have multiple chances to sell. Do not panic sell. Okay, do not worry about it. You can sell whenever you like, right? So you know better if you bought right there. Okay, but if you plan to buy now or you have bought right here, losing the 2.796 will be the best scenario. Actually will be to hold the 2.456, and this means that we are going to correct for more than 12%, which is a huge correction, right? But at the end of the day, let's see what we are going to do. The most important thing to notice right now is that we are in a very, very huge risk with Bitcoin, and so the altcoins might suffer a little bit, bringing OP a little bit down. Okay, in the daily frame and the daily analysis, everything is looking good. We have a very high risk, we have multiple bearish RSI divergences, okay, but at the end of the day, OP tends to ignore this, and therefore I think that we shouldn't be looking at the risk metrics, we should be looking at price targets. Always have these 3 price targets, 4 actually in your mind. The 2.32 is for later on, okay, do not worry about it. Thank you so much for watching, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.